Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to be going over solving systems of equations by graphing. So a system of equations is just when you have two equations happening at the same time. And what we do is we just graph two lines on the same graph, and where they intersect at is the solution to the system, the two equations together. So we have three different situations that can arise from solving a system of equations. So we have one solution where your lines intersect and cross at a single point, like that the green point on my screen. Then you have no solution where the lines are parallel and they never cross. So that means there's no solution to that. There's no common point that they share. And then you have infinite solutions where the lines end up being identical to each other. They have the same slope and the same y-intercept. One solution has different slope. The y-intercept can be different or the same. With no solution, the lines never intersect and they have the same slope but different y-intercepts. So those are the three types of problems that you will come across with solving systems. So what we are going to be doing today is we are going to be solving systems by graphing. So we are going to be graphing lines, two lines on the same graph, and where they intersect at is the solution to the problem. If they don't intersect, the answer is no solution, and if they're the exact same line, then the answer is infinite solutions or all real numbers. So we are going to go over these couple problems on the first page, and then the rest are going to be for you to do. So I'm going to be using two different colors when I graph these. The first one I'm going to do in red here, and then the second one I'm going to do in blue, okay? So for the red one, we have y equals mx plus b. So we start with b, this is b, and this is m. So b is 3, so we go to 3. And then we use m and we do rise over run. So we rise up 1 and run to the right 4, and we plot our point, and we draw our line. Then for the blue one, we begin with b. So b is -2. So we go to -2 and plot a point. Now remember, when we have negative x, it's -1 over 1. So I go down 1 and right 1 and plot my point, and then I can draw my line. So for this one, it looks like my line's a little bit off. But so what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the red line, and we are going to, so that seems to be my solution. So my line was a little bit off. So I might add extra points. So what I did was I went down 1, left 4 to plot the next point. So that's going to give me the exact point where they intersect at. So let me erase this and redraw. So we were up at 3, then we went up 1, right 4, then I went down 1, left 4. Okay, so that's that line. So you might want to do more than 1 point, so that way you get your exact solution. And then we went to -2, and we went down 1, left 1, and I'm going to continue that pattern on, okay? And you can see the red and the blue overlap. That is my solution here, and I'm going to do this in green, okay? That point is my solution. So my answer is -4, 2. Okay? So all of your answers should be ordered pairs or no solution or all real numbers. Okay? So this is my answer. Okay? So next one, we're going to do the first one in red and the second one in blue. So let's start with the red one. So we begin with B. So B is 2. We plot that point. Then M is 3 over 2. So we rise up 3. And then we run 2. And we plot our point. I'm going to go the opposite way. I'm going to go down 3 and left 2 a few times. Okay? So we have a line with multiple points, because the odds are one of those points is going to be my answer. So then the blue line, we're going to go down to -3, and then we go up 1, right 4, plot our point, then down 1, left 4. So we can see the red and the blue overlap at this point here that I'm drawing in green. So my answer is -4, -4. Okay? So that's how you do these problems. So graph the two lines. Where the two lines cross is the answer. If they don't cross, the answer is no solution. And if they're the same identical line, the answer is infinite solutions or all real numbers. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you need anything, let me know. Have a great